do a little experiment in visualization and imagination for you, Rach.
Ooh, okay.
And I've got a special deck of cards that I bought to do that, which is like an IKEA deck, I guess you could say, because you normally have to get pens and do them yourself. So we've got a whole pack of cards that is literally just cardboard, but we can use these for a visualization sort of experiment, and particularly a little trick that helps you visualize something, even though there's nothing on these, it will help kind of picture something really clearly in your imagination.
Okay.
Bit weird. So if you imagine that this is a pack of cards like a regular deck, these would be, I'm going to split them into two packets. This is going to be the red half, and I'm going to spread those there for you, and I'm going to have all the black cards here. What I'd like you to do is to look at those cards and see if you can visualize a red card that we could use. What would you use?
The 3 of Hearts.
The 3 of Hearts, and that particular one. Yeah, okay, well that's fine. You can slide that one out. We'll use that. It doesn't, obviously, it makes no difference because they've got nothing on them. But if you can picture a 3 of Hearts on there, that would be great. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the black cards, but I always use the same one. I'm going to use the 3 of Spades, which we're going to use here like this.
Good choice.
And you've got the same thing. I'm going to just visualize it on the other side of there. So imagine. Well, I'm going to imagine that I can see a 3 of Spades on there. I'm going to set that down. Now, here's the interesting thing. Obviously, I can't really see anything on there. You can't see anything on there, really. But we're going to try a little experiment that will make it seem like we can. And it's to do with contrast. Like, if I take the card I imagine as being black and put it in your red packet, and you do the same over here, and we cut them into the middle, it's easier to visualise those cards mentally if they are popping out because they're in the incorrect halves.
Yes,
does that make sense?
Yes, yep.
And when it's really vivid, you might be able to catch it for a second. So I'm hoping that's done it. So I was trying to picture the 3 of Spades, and that would be quite easy to spot if these were all contrasting. That's pretty weird, isn't it? That is.
It's a little bit weird.
But I'm wondering if it would have worked here. I can't even remember. What card did you have?
The 3 of Hearts.
3 of Hearts. Okay, let's see how we did.
Oh,
That's
no.
ridiculous, isn't it?
That is ridiculous.
And that is Brainstorm.